Morning all. Find me in the milking parlour. Saturday morning. Roundup of the week. Clear TB test. Quite a few calves. A couple of Frisian heifer calves. A couple of British blues that will go to market at some point. But this morning I've got 5 cows to dry off. So I thought I'd talk about drying off. So on our farm we do selective dry cow therapy, or SDCT. Which is, because you'll have heard me before talking about milk recording. So we milk record every month, and that gives us data on each individual cow, such as cell counts, mastitis cases, builds up a picture of their lactation so we can monitor it and look back at it. So when it comes to drying off, I'll look back at our milk recording data, and any cow that's had a cell count of, we've just upped it actually to 300. I'm doing a bit of an experiment. It was 250. But anything with a cell count above 300 will be treated with antibiotics at drying off. So a dry cow, antibiotic dry cow tube. Anything that's had a case of mastitis during her lactation will get the same. And anything that's been under 300 and no cases of mastitis will be treated with a teat sealant. This helps us as a farm reduce our antibiotic usage and also saves money. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So we don't need to, we don't want to spend extra money on antibiotics. So that's what we do. So each of these cows are around 60 days from calving. I think there's a couple at 54, so give them quite a bit of milk. And a couple that are just over 60 because they've been milking a bit longer. So each cow is dried off around 60 days away from calving. It's basically a holiday. Now, as we all know, dairy cows have a hard old life. So they deserve a break. So once their milk starts tailing off at the end of the lactation, we'll dry them off. They'll have a 60-day rest to help them recover from the lactation and also prepare for calving. So we change their ration and feed them accordingly. So for the first sort of 30 to 35 days, they'll be on a bit of barley straw and either some good haylage or a little bit of silage mixed in. And then once they're about 3 weeks away from calving, we'll start something called a transition diet. So we're transitioning the cow and the cow's rumen to prepare it for a higher intense diet. So that's when we'll start introducing a little bit of rolled barley, a little bit of blend. We'll reduce the straw slightly. Just prepares the cow for when she's going to enter the milking herd, so it's not much of a shock for her system. Otherwise she'll be like me after eating a vindaloo. It won't be pretty. So yeah, that is what we do at drying off. Any other questions, let me know. Farmers, let me know your dry cow therapy, what you do and why and what works for you. Yeah, have a good Saturday guys, and we'll see you on the other side.